All right, so today's the 11th of December, and I've been gone these past 2 days, and this is perfect, beautiful price action that I'm gonna break down. Um, and wow, it just really was beautiful. So this top, middle, order block, fair value gap, that was potential, and as well as here, daily, this fair value gap, this order block, and then 50% of the range, which we'll now see. 50% of this range is here, so we did not get there. 50% of this range is here. We got there yesterday. This is that weekly order block, high, middle, low, and also this daily order block there. Consequent encroachment, middle there. Look where body stop, explosion. Look where the body stop, explosion. That's exactly what you need to see. Look how the body stop above there. 4 hour, we had this plump fair value gap there that was sitting in the middle of both. And then we have 50%. We have low here and remaining gap here. 50% in there. That's where it's going. We have this that doesn't quite touch, and then we go in here. Look how it stops. Comes back in, takes out lows at night. Ready for this. So let's go into this order block. We have that level that I'm gonna, maybe I'll keep it on. On Monday we go down. Then we have low, 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 fair value gap, low, midpoint, order block that is most likely going to be surfaced. Here you can get tricked up thinking that it's just going to go higher, but that's why you wait for 9 a.m. You see the body stops. Still, it goes through one more pass, goes up to this 9:30 fair value gap. Here, drops down aggressively for the remainder of the day, into there, again, drops down, small SMT there, drops past, goes below the bodies, comes back up. Look, right before 8 a.m., bodies are at the bottom here. That's perfect. Set up, and then boom. So let's look at the 15-minute a little more. Consolidation, broken at 5 a.m. and take all these off. And then we have at night, we have this SMT coupled by this SMT. So we have these two SMTs, which then go to the move into here, fill in this 15 fair value gap. Here we have, thank you, this 4 hour fair value gap, 4 hour wick order block. And we have this wick here that we stay below. We have an SMT here that we don't go above. So that's what we're going to be looking for, any possible SMTs. So initially, we have this SMT. So let's look deeper. So you have the SMT there. Now you have very nice relative equal lows here, 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 and there. So this and this are like kind of, they are objectives. So we go up 9:30. We have another SMT. 9 a.m. builds up. and 9:30, drop down, take out this high, go in here, but we close high. There, drop down, very big range. And then we have this, comes back, takes out the highs. Let me just go on 1 minute. Okay, so let me just mark everything that's essential. Let's mark this low as an order block. And then, yeah, we have this. They're very important. I guess you could say that. Oh, yeah, that daily fair value gap, very important as well. So let's go on 1 minute now. Okay, so 9:30 comes. Let me look for 9:30 gap is not until here. And here. Okay. So 9:30, we go down, make an SMT on the second candle. Come on here, and it keeps going lower into this. I guess you can call it 15-minute inefficiency. Yeah. Into this 15-minute inefficiency. So we drop lower in the inefficiency. You see bodies building up there. Now you have another SMT here. But you have this high here that was most likely going to be taken care of. But at this point, you're waiting for your gap to form anyways. And let's just say that, we have this. Okay. We can use this as inversion. And you want to see it closes above order block, bam. You can get in there. You can get in here, 29 to 49, 20 points. Order blocks form where other order blocks were. But by now, it's still a big SMT, so you can look for shorts here. And it goes where? To this order block. To that candle low, the 4-hour high. Then you have an order block here. Goes back down, makes relative equal lows. Goes back up, uses this to go above here and here. And then we have over here and over here another pass. And in here, accumulation to go to low, 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 low. So this is an order block and this is an order block. So you can be short in here, here, or here, or here. and here. Let's follow it. Goes down, comes back up. Small little SMT there, and an SMT here. Breaks down again. Breaks down. SMT here. Then breaks higher. Goes above this high. Makes an SMT there. Breaks lower, ultimately going into here. And then that's at 4 p.m. Go for the day. Then you have this dig at 2 a.m. And let's look how it looks on a 15-minute chart. We break lower. This candle. This order block. Order block. Okay, now let me honestly let me reset this chart. And let's look at this price action solely on only existing price action. So 15-minute. You have the SMT coupled by this order block. And you have this right here. Inversion fair value gap. 1 hour. Same thing. I guess you could do this. Coupled by the 50%, which is beautiful. And then yeah, you have the low. Care mașină? Din garaj. E în mașină. So you have that. And then this will turn into a breaker. And yeah, that should be okay. Let's study 8 to the high. Okay. Drop down. SMT continues to go into where? A 15-minute fair value gap. And then you have this consequent encroachment. So it goes there, and it keeps going lower while this is made into an inversion fair value gap. Order block, order block. Now we have an SMT here. Okay, we get the point. Keeps going higher into 15-minute order block high. Drops lower after filling in here. And then we have 930 gap. Then we come and take out these highs. ES finally takes that out. Comes here. We break below. And then you have to be careful here, because that's an SMT. Yes, it goes. Then there's another SMT. Breaks down there, there. Order block. Let's look at the 15-minute here. Not much. 5-minute. What clues do we have? So yeah, this is also a breaker. This candle. And this an order block. And you see the body stay closed here. And I think what the tipping of the hand is the 5 minutes. They don't close below until finally here when ES has made its triple top. And I guess you can wait for ES to break down here, which is this one. So you can get in 548 to 5. That's 35 points. Until ES reaches. Okay, now let's just draw all. Let's draw all the targets for perspective. So you have that. triple threat right here. Also this, I'd argue. Oh, we forgot about this inversion. That's so critical. And so I'd say this area, biggest. And then for ES, it would be here. For NQ, I mean. So top, middle, bottom, and just seeing how the 1 hour closes at the bottom of this daily. I think this is the most important line there is. This is the most important level to watch. And I think once you see the 1 hour close, there's so much. There's so much. So yeah, I guess that pretty much encapsulates this. And yeah, this triple threat right here. And you just have to watch the bodies on the higher time frame. I think that is the most crucial. Bodies on the higher time frame. Let's go back to 1 minute. I got a lot more. So 1 minute. Once the 1 minute, yeah, you could short that for sure because of NQ already. This is another good entry right here. This to here, 35, 40 point, no, 35 points. Comes back up. Dude, there's so much. There's a lot of work to be done. There's so much. I need to find like a structure. I don't know. There's just so much. Um, I guess that's just not true. Why is it doing that? Um, it's yeah, the lower time frame is so complex, but I think it's about the higher time frame. You know, it's most likely gonna go in here. ES is gonna go to 50%, while one of them doesn't. SMT, boom. On a higher time frame, we take out this daily low, this daily low. That's daily SMTs. Okay. Then you're like, okay, if it's likely to do that, where is it most likely to retrace? And that's here, coupled by what's the highest fair value gap? 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, for ES, clearest indication. We have a daily inversion fair value gap. The previous day closed below it. Then we come back, and the first 4 hours stops, and then all the hourlies have so far not been. So with that, you could take a short. Once ES, boom, short. SMT, short. Stop above here. Stop above here. You can have a bigger stop because what? What's let's say 30 points for 200. you know? Or you can wait here to have a very close stop, and that's when it starts moving. The moment it starts moving is when ES does this, right? And this. Boom. Top of there. And then it just goes. So I guess the complex part that you can say is complex and you have to be patient in is, when do you know? Yes, it's already moved here. You can be a seller in here if you have Enigma. But then if ES keeps doing that, boom, you see that it closed like that with the 1 hour again, comes back up, boom, and then it goes. It's confidence, conviction, and having higher time frame. And it's also seeing the laggard. When the NQ shifts, that means it's shifting because ES had been more bearish. If NQ shifts to be bearish, that means it's bearish. That's also how you can use correlation. And then boom, speed. Speed here. And then here, you're not even worried. Like, okay, yeah, you're just analyzing what happens, but you're in the trade up here. You've already caught a lot, and now you know it's gonna go down here. So you can get scared. Oh, it didn't take out these relative equal lows. Yeah, it's coming up in an efficiency order block. Boom, goes down again. So that makes it a lot more clear. Yeah, I just came back all the way here to do it again and clean up my chart because I don't want to have a messy chart no more. SMT go lower. I want to see this low taken out. Maybe go in here. And yeah, I would like to see like go to the top of here. But it doesn't have to. Right now we're bullish. So yeah. Yeah, I like that. Anywhere in this range, we'll see how we open up tomorrow. We have CPI tomorrow. Or PPI. Stacked week. Jeez. Where could we go next? I'm glad you asked. So it looks like 860 is our target for tomorrow. Dude, it actually was a good morning session. That's perfect. Order block there. Remember, you have SMTs. Into order blocks after. Then we have an SMT here. Beautiful buy. Inversion fair value gap to the high. SMT. Another SMT. SMT. And just keeps trudging high. Possible short. But by now, probably not going to move much. Yeah. Absolutely choose beautiful. Okay, yeah, let's do it with that in perspective. That's sick. $500 Absolutely a big range day. Hello. Wait, what do you have to pay? Hmm. Did you tell me we have gift cards? Did you say we have gift cards? Hmm? Yeah. Well, that's his decision. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So 7 p.m. The one in Irvine? Call. You want me to call? Hmm? All right, I'll see you. They have for 6:45 or 7:15. Yeah? Yeah, I'll look, but can I get two pairs? No, I want I don't want what am I gonna use running trail shoes? I'll look. Do you want to sit outside? Should we say it's Tata's birthday? Should we? Yeah. Should we say it's your birthday? Okay. All the reservations at 7 were. All the reservations at 7 were taken. Um, yes, sir. Okay, bye. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna end it here for today. It was a good review. I'm gonna come back maybe and I'm just gonna, yeah.